A grab bar is an easy way to stop the slipping and sliding in the bathtub, but drilling a hole in the ceramic tile can be pretty slippery itself. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. When we return, how to keep your drill bit from doing the ceramic shimmy right after this.
The Home Depot is cooking up new ways to start summer here and bring summer home. From online ordering to free delivery and convenient store pickup, we're helping make sure taking care of your summer projects is a breeze. And summer savings on all your favorite brands make things even easier. So freshen up the deck, fire up the grill. Summer's here, and it's as close as your own backyard. The Home Depot. How doers get more done.
Installing a grab bar in the tub or shower is a great idea, but trying to drill through a ceramic tile surround can be challenging. The slick glazed surface makes the drill bit walk over the tile. I've heard some suggest using a nail to tap a slight indentation in the tile for a starting point, but this can crack the tile as well. Instead, try this. Place an X made from masking tape on the spots you want to drill. Use a pencil to mark the location on the top of this tape. The paper surface of the tape will keep your drill bit in place, allowing you to drill the hole where you need it. Once drilled, simply remove the tape and you're ready to install your grab bar. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.